Tuo mar wang' mikelo gi kute ma trachoma en achiel kuom gigo mamiyo oganda mathoth e Afrika ma ugwe bedo muofni. Gie sani pinje ma Kenya gi Uganda temo kawo okenge makelo lokruok mar neno ni kwan mar jok mayudo tuo ma kamano dok piny, kendo neno ni jopiny odak maonge luoro mar bedo muofni. Jokanyo e sekta mar thieth wang' nie romo mar ndalo ariyo e boma ma Eldoret mar keto okenge makare mag lokruok ka gigeto tieko chutho kute makelo trachoma. Romo ma kamano bende jiwo kauntis ma pacho ka mondo osi lwedo okang' madwaro lokruok ka kauntis migeto moloyo gin kaka Baringo, Turkana, West Pokot, Embu gi Kitui.
Trachoma is an infectious disease and it can resurge. To ensure that we do not have resurgence, we are working together today to validate the transition plans for the county, to ensure that the county can manage incident cases, to ensure that the county can sustain these gains and we do not have a reversal. Trachoma and any blinding eye disease is a development issue. It is a social issue, it is a justice issue. If you go blind for a preventable cause, you cannot provide for your family, you are not sure of your security, you cannot do meaningful work, you cannot even vote very well.
County government's budget, the largest proportion of their budgets go to health. Of course, the assistance that has come from Fred Olo's Foundation towards elimination of trachoma is commendable. Can you imagine that between 2012 and now, the support of Fred Olo's Foundation has reduced the prevalence of trachoma from 34.4% in my county and in all other counties such as Turkana, West Pokot, Embu, Kitui.